Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dealt with those tiny dark spots on your nose or chin, you know how frustrating blackheads can be. But don't worry, today, we're diving into some simple, natural remedies you can try right at home to say goodbye to blackheads. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly are blackheads? Blackheads are a type of acne that forms when your pores get clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and dirt. Unlike whiteheads, the surface of the pore stays open, and when it's exposed to air, it oxidizes, turning that dark black or brown color we all recognize. Now, what causes blackheads? A few main things. Excess oil production, hormonal changes, poor skin hygiene, heavy or greasy skincare products, and sometimes even diet and stress. The good news is, nature has some amazing remedies to help fight them. Let's get started. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes aren't just for your salad. They're rich in antioxidants and have natural oil-absorbing properties. Simply mash a small tomato, apply the pulp to the blackhead-prone areas, and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. It helps shrink pores and clears impurities. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to make a paste. Gently massage it onto your skin for a minute, then rinse. This removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. But remember, don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is enough. Next, honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and a skin soother. Warm up a teaspoon of honey, apply it directly to the blackhead areas, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Not only does it help loosen blackheads, but it also leaves your skin soft and glowing. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. Number 4. Lemon. Lemon juice is a natural astringent packed with vitamin C. Dab fresh lemon juice on your blackhead-prone areas using a cotton ball. Leave it overnight and rinse in the morning. It helps tighten pores and clear out dirt. But be careful if you have sensitive skin, and always apply sunscreen afterward because lemon makes skin more sun-sensitive. 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast. It's a gentle cleanser and exfoliant. Mix oatmeal with yogurt and a little lemon juice to form a paste. Apply it as a mask for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. It soothes irritation while removing dead skin and excess oil. 6. Egg whites. Egg whites are great for tightening pores and pulling out impurities. Whisk 1 egg white, apply a thin layer on your face, place a tissue over it, then add another layer of egg white on top. Let it dry completely, then peel it off gently. You'll see the blackheads lifting right out. Last but not least, cinnamon. Cinnamon is not only aromatic but also boosts circulation and fights bacteria. Mix cinnamon powder with honey to make a sticky paste. Apply it to the blackhead areas for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. It acts as a natural cleanser and improves skin health. And that's it. 7 simple natural ways to tackle blackheads right at home. Remember, consistency is key. Try out these remedies and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who's struggling with blackheads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.